How to keep your child healthy. It is important for your child to get around 10 hours of sleep every night, depending on age. Going to sleep at the same time each evening will help this happen. Stick carefully to this routine and only push back the bedtime if it is absolutely necessary. When possible, allow your child to sleep in if they went to bed late. Sleep is important to health in many ways. It allows your body to recover quickly from illness or fight off potential infections. It also boosts your metabolism. Good sleep can calm your emotions and result in a healthier mindset as well. It is recommended that preschoolers get between 10 to 13 hours, elementary and middle schoolers between 10 to 13 hours, and teenagers between 8 to 10 hours. This is dependent on personal preference as well. Some children simply prefer to sleep more or slightly less than average. Purchase a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grain products, and lean meats for your household. Go for fresh, organic produce whenever you can. Carefully read labels to determine portion sizes and make meals that conform to those guidelines. Offer healthy snacks, such as hummus and carrot sticks, throughout the day. Invite your child to help you with meal prep. Let them choose a healthy recipe for dinner. Take them with you to the grocery store and turn reading labels into a game. Make food more interesting for finicky eaters by crafting healthy personal pizzas, with their own selected toppings, or by positioning fruit into a smiley face on their plate. If your child refuses to eat their veggies, keep offering them. Try out other vegetable options and preparations as well. A child who dislikes straight steamed broccoli may love it when it is topped with a bit of shredded cheddar cheese. A child should drink the number of 8 ounces water glasses that correspond to their age, up to a limit of 64 ounces total at 8 years of age. So, a 4-year-old child should drink 4 glasses containing 8 ounces of water per day. This total does not include milk, juice, or other liquids, just water. Your child should only start drinking water after they reach 6 months of age. Prior to this, they should drink formula and/or breast milk. How can I keep my child from getting sick this winter? Good question, since as sure as the mercury drops, cold and flu viruses make the rounds through homes and schools each year. If only there were a way to guarantee that your child won't get sick. Is there? Not really, says Paula Fitt, Chief of Infectious Diseases at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. Many common winter viruses are airborne, so if your child takes a breath within, say, 4 to 6 feet of someone who's sick, he can easily catch the bug himself. What's more, most people stricken by winter viruses are contagious before they develop symptoms. So pulling your child away from a sniffling, coughing, or sneezing pal doesn't guarantee that he won't come down with similar symptoms himself. Neither will bundling him up. Studies have shown that exposure to cold or damp weather doesn't increase a child's likelihood of catching a cold, says Fitt. Still, don't give up without a fight. There are several simple steps you can take to help fend off germs and keep your child as healthy as possible this winter. So what should I do? While it's practically inevitable that your child will get a few colds this winter no matter what you do, it won't hurt to try these germ-fighting strategies. Make sure your child washes his hands. Regular hand washing is the simplest, most effective way to get rid of cold and flu bugs. Teach your child to wash his hands with soap and warm water after he uses the toilet, before meals and snacks, and as soon as he comes home from school, the playground, or a friend's house. A child's brain is composed of 80% water, so staying hydrated is particularly important for optimal cognitive development. Teach your child to look at their urine to make sure it is more clear than yellow. If they spot yellow, then they should grab a glass of water. The best way to fight a cold or flu is to prevent it from occurring in the first place. The Center for Disease Control recommends all children 6 months and older receive the flu vaccine each year. Also, make sure your children are going for well child checks at the appropriate times. Wash hands often. It's such a simple thing, but hand washing really does matter. Researchers in London found that if everyone regularly washed their hands, we could prevent 1 million deaths a year. Teach your kids to sing the happy birthday song twice while washing, and always use soap. Get a good night's sleep. The body's immune system quits working well when the body is sleep deprived. Now is not the time to slack off enforcing bedtime. Most school-aged children need at least 10-11 hours each night, and babies and toddlers need even more. Teach proper sneezing etiquette. Most kids sneeze all over everything, spreading.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Check the description below, and thank you so much for watching.